This is Papa Jesus. This is the rosary. This is the Jesus said. This is the Christmas tree. This is the big sentiment. This is the bye bye.
No. That one. What's that? Where is Mama Mary? Ala, nato na. Bubo na. Careful.
Bunga na.
Oh, sige. You're always. What's that? Ay, ako na. No na. Aduy, mayabo na ron. Careful lagi. Unsa may tawagan ng imuhang kuan? What's that? What's that?
Huh?
Your altar. Oh, careful la, mabubo na imong altar.
This is the big Mama Mary. And this is the t-shirt.
T-shirt.
And this is the hand. And this is
Where is Papa Joseph? Okay. Mama Mary, baby Jesus. The baby Jesus. Okay. That
the
is
flower.
That is
A flower.
Holy. Unsa may name anak nila?
Holy Spirit.
Holy Family.
Holy Family.
Where is Santo Niño? Little God.
Little God. Little God.
Put it back na. Where is Mama Mary? The Mama Mary.
Here.
Where is the Sacred Heart of Jesus? Sacred Heart of Jesus.
This and this.
Okay, may I see? May I see? Wow. Sacred Heart. Tarong.
Na Sacred Heart. Oh.
Okay.
Adata dilibi.
Where is the crucifix? Crucifix. Careful. Turn. The Divine Mercy. Where is the Divine Mercy? Okay. Show to us your Divine Mercy. Your Divine Mercy. Okay, the Divine Mercy. Mama Mary, the kuan, Immaculate. Return. Where is the Our Lady of Rosary? Where is Our Lady of Rosary? That one. Oh, Our Lady of Rosary. That one. Daghang Mama Mary, this one. Our Lady of Rosary.
The Lady of Rosary.
Where is Jesus? The Jesus, that one. Jesus.
Here Jesus. Here Jesus. Here Jesus. Here Jesus. Here Jesus. Here Jesus. Here Jesus.
Divine Mercy.
Here Jesus. Divine Mercy. Here Jesus.
That is the Holy Rosary.
This
Mama Mary of Immaculate. This one, what is this? This one. This one, baby.
Wait. Huh?
This one.
Centuries.
Okay, centuries.
And this was color and this one.
Okay, thank you.
And
Thank you.